When it comes to recovery, two often overlooked factors play a huge role: hydration and collagen. They work together to support tissue repair, joint health, and overall healing after injury or intense activity. Let's start with hydration. Water is the foundation of every function in your body. It transports nutrients, removes waste, lubricates joints, and keeps your muscles and connective tissues flexible. Without enough water, your recovery slows down. Dehydration can make muscles feel tighter, increase cramping, and even delay healing at the cellular level. Think of your body like an engine. Water is the oil that keeps it running smoothly. When you're injured or recovering, your body's fluid demands actually increase because healing requires more oxygen and nutrient transport. That's why drinking enough water each day is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to support your recovery. But hydration isn't just about plain water. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium help your body absorb and use water effectively. Including foods like bananas, oranges, leafy greens, and coconut water helps maintain that balance. Now let's talk about collagen, the protein that acts like glue holding your body together. Collagen makes up a large portion of your skin, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. When you get injured, your body ramps up collagen production to rebuild these tissues. As we age, or when we're under stress, collagen production naturally slows. That's why supporting it through nutrition becomes even more important during recovery. You can get collagen from bone broth, fish, eggs, and certain meats. Or you can help your body produce more of it by eating foods rich in vitamin C, zinc, and copper, key nutrients for collagen synthesis. Collagen supplements, especially hydrolyzed collagen or collagen peptides, can also be beneficial. Studies show they may improve joint comfort, skin elasticity, and tissue repair when combined with consistent movement and proper hydration. Hydration and collagen go hand in hand. Water keeps collagen-rich tissues like tendons and cartilage supple and resilient. Without enough hydration, even high collagen levels can't do their job properly. Likewise, collagen gives structure to tissues that retain water. They rely on each other for strength and flexibility. So how can you put this into practice? Start your day with a glass of water before your coffee. Include hydration-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, and soups. Add a collagen source, maybe a scoop of collagen powder in your smoothie or a bowl of bone broth at lunch. And don't forget the supporting nutrients: vitamin C from fruits, zinc from seeds, and copper from nuts. Recovery isn't just about rest and movement. It's also about what you give your body to rebuild. Stay hydrated, nourish your collagen, and you'll be supporting your body's natural ability to heal, stay strong, and move with ease.